Good evening, friends. Today I am going to explain the important topic of p block elements, that is oxidation of reactive metals by dilute nitric acid. That I am again and again explaining that if you are taking the dilute nitric acid, that is two cases there. For dilute nitric acid, if reactive metal is there, reactive metal, so reactive metals, it will give the metal nitrate plus it will give N2O. And if it is less reactive is there, if it is less reactive metal is there, so what it will give? Metal nitrates plus it will give nitric oxide. These things we have to keep in mind. Now this heading is what we are talking about, the reactive metal like that zinc, iron, or that is Sn, we have taken tin. So for that, if you are treating with the dilute nitric acid, so what compound you are going to get? That is what we are talking about for the balance equation we are going to study. Now let us see, that is for the case of, we are talking about the zinc. Firstly we are taking about the zinc. So Zn is there, and Zn, if you are reacting with the nitric acid HNO3, and that too we have taken the dilute HNO3. So if you are taking dilute HNO3, so it will give firstly that is zinc nitrate, and valency 2, so NO3 will be the twice, and along with it will give that is N2O plus water molecule will be released. And what is to balance this equation? Firstly we will balance the metal, then nitrogen, then hydrogen and oxygen. So if you see zinc, what is happening here in zinc, here is 0 oxidation state and here is +2 oxidation state. And for nitrogen, for the nitric acid, you will find whatever here is +5 and it is converting into that is +1. So you see that is zinc is plus loss how many electron? 2 electron loss is there, and gain how many electron is there? If you add 4 electron, so you will be able to get that is +1. So what we are going to do, we are balancing this loss and gain of electron should be same. So what we are going, if you multiply this by 4, you multiply this by 4, and you also, so that you will be able to get 8 electron, and if you multiply by 4 by 2, so you will get that is how many? 8 electron. So here you are multiplying by 4, so what you are going to get here 4 Zn, you are going to get 4 zinc molecule, and then what you are going to get another zinc plus how many nitric acid, you are multiplying by 2, so 2 mole of HNO3, along with this what is 4 mole of ZnNO3, it will be the twice, and then 2 mole of N2O plus water molecule it is giving. Now you balance the nitrogen. You see here nitrogen how much? 2 and 4 ja 8, 8 4 12 is coming. So here you don't multiply, here is the 8 4 10. So here simply you put the 10, and this side nitrogen is balanced. Now you balance the hydrogen. Here is 10 hydrogen is there, so simply you put the 5 hydrogen, 5 H2, and water oxygen is already balanced here. Oxygen 30 oxygen is there. Here is 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 and 6, that is 30. This is the balanced chemical equation for the oxidation of zinc by the dilute nitric acid. Now let us move for the another equation and see what would be the case of the iron. Okay, so case of iron will be quite different than the zinc because the valency of the iron is different. Now you see that is, if you are taking that is Fe, I am taking Fe plus HNO3, and this HNO3 is dilute HNO3. So what it will give? It will give FeNO3 twice, FeNO3 twice, plus it will give that is N2O, plus it will give water molecule. So in this case, if you balance this one Fe, what is the oxidation number is saying, that is +2, 0 to +2, and here is 5 2, it is changing 5, here is the oxidation 1, and here is +5. So loss is how many? Loss is how much? 2 electron. Okay, and gain here is how many electron? 4 electron. So here if you are multiply by 4, you are getting 8 electron, and here if you multiply by 2 you are able to get 8 electron. So directly we are writing here 4. If you are 4 Fe, if you are treating, then you are going to get 2HNO3, and it is giving 4 FeNO3 twice, 4 FeNO3 twice, plus it is giving what, N2O plus water molecule. Now you balance the HNO3, nitrogen. So here is 8 nitrogen, here is 2, 10. So this side also you put 10, and here is you balance the oxygen and hydrogen, you put here is 5 water molecule. So this is again the balanced chemical equation for the iron. Lastly we are going for the Sn, and we are going to check that is how much the mole of N2O and nitrate will be produced. So if you are taking tin Sn and treating with the HNO3, and this HNO3 will be dilute, so what you will be able to get, you will be able to get that is SnNO3, it will be the twice plus what it will, other compound it will give N2O plus it will give water molecule. Now you are going to balance Sn, here is 0 to plus 2, this is the plus 2, and here is 5 to how much, plus 1, okay, plus 5 to plus 1. So here if you see this equation, so what you are able to find out this equation, in this equation one thing is clear, that is loss is 2 electron, and here if you see gain is 4 electron, so you multiply by 2, so it will give 8 electron, and multiply by 4, so you will be able to get 8 electron. Now you multiply, so you will be able to get 4Sn, this 4Sn plus 2HNO3, it will give what it will give, this will give, that is the 4SnNO3 twice, along with that it will give the N2O. How many N2O? 2 N2O it will give, plus water molecule. Now you balance it out, how much, 4 to the 8 to 10. So here you don't put it out 10, and here is also you can put it out here 10 HNO3, and here is hydrogen, water molecule is 5. So this is the balanced chemical equation for the tin when it is going to oxidized with the dilute nitric acid. Thank you so much for watching, friends.